Hey YouTube, so this is my slime and I'm gonna make it fluffy with shaving cream. Okay, so I'm just gonna let me put y'all up a little. So I'm just gonna put my slime in my hand, but you wanna make sure that it's not dripping, and then just spread how much shaving cream you want. I don't want a lot. That's how much shaving cream I used. Then you just want to mix it. And it will look messy at first, but all you have to do is keep mixing. So I'm going to show you what it looks like first. It's very messy while you're mixing it, but as you're mixing it, the white shaving cream is starting to go away, and your slime is starting to get very fluffy. And this totally works it totally works on all slimes, because even if you have a little bit of slime and you want to make it bigger and fluffy, add shaving cream. So that is what my slime looks like. This is the container. I got it from Dollar Tree, and it's not all that. It has a lid because you want to keep your lids on your slime. And I think this is a perfect size for this slime. So yeah. Sorry if it's focusing on my TV. It's not supposed to be. But look, I don't know what I'm watching. Oh, I'm watching Teen Nick. Go watch that. But back to slime. So yeah, and it's just easy closes and stuff. So I think you're only supposed to use this brand of shaving cream, so it will actually work. My feet, but yeah. Hope you like my slime video. Go follow my best friend at Harley was here. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in the description down below. Go read the description. Peace.